Hello and welcome back to the journey to everything. I'll get right into it. Um, Today there was massive news, or I guess not, well, actually, I guess really massive. But if we look at the charts, it hadn't really affected anything much. Like, news came out here. Hold on. Yeah, 10:30 did nothing for GBP, or basically nothing. And then same goes for UJ when PMI came out later in the day, but that's usually a gamble that I don't like to take. However, I was lucky, or I was kind of lucky, I guess. If we go, no, let me start the story. So, yesterday, as you or as some might have seen in the vlog that I posted, I was at a party until 3:30 a.m. on a Tuesday. I don't know why, but yeah, I've got nothing else to do other than this, so might as well go. It was a friend's birthday party. And then I went to bed at like 4:30 a.m. So I said I'll try to look at the markets, but if I have no energy, I'll just catch up on some sleep. And that's what I did. I woke up and I was like in a zombie mode. I can kind of remember that I was awake, but I just went to the toilet, straight to bed, and then slept for 3 more hours. Woke up at 11:30 a.m. And then obviously took no trades. What could have happened today would be so. We are on the 4 hour on UJ. There would have been perfect setups on both time frames today. So we are firstly in this 4 hour fair value gap, but it's what's more important for us would be a 1 hour fair value gap that I will use later. But we are bearish, obviously, here. So this will be a continuation of trend. So I look for confluences. Same exact thing on GJ, because the pairs mirror each other, simply because they are both against the yen. I mark out the 4 hour high candle on both of them, go down to the 1 hour, where there is a liquidity sweep on the 1 hour on GJ and on UJ here. And also on both of them there is a fair value gap here on the 1 hour, a bearish fair value gap on both pairs, which I later use to entry. Then I go down to the 5 minute because both biases are on the same time frame. And then we have this 1 hour fair liquidity getting swept. Then 9 a.m. is here. We push up massively, where basically all bullish fair value gaps. Then we push into it, break out, also close this bullish fair value gap, close below it, and then you can entry here. But considering that there would have been news on 10:30 a.m., let's say we want to enter after 10:30, which would be here, yeah. Then it would have been basically the same thing, except the entry would have been here. Same on UJ, or same procedure. We have this 1 hour liquidity getting swept, price pushes in, we form a tiny bullish fair value gap that gets filled, and price also breaks out of the 1 hour fair value gap at the same time. Same thing then happens again if we wait for 1030 to pass. We can do the same entry here on both pairs, and then let's also say we exit before news, so 3:45 p.m. and then we would have to close here, which would have been a one to 4 or 1 to 3.5 on UJ, and a 1 to, damn, that sucks, that trade actually, or a 1 to 2.7 on GJ. So yeah, kind of ass that I had no energy, but I'm not really regretting it because I know, or I've now confirmed, that my strategy is working. The only thing that's sad, or at least is sad to me, is that I've missed out on the opportunity to gain some percentage points on my funded account, but at least I'm doing this kind of back testing, and I guess this is a form of journaling my trades. I still haven't dropped the dashboard. I'm still not finished with that. I asked some friends who were good with with Excel, but they don't know shit about Apple numbers. So I am kind of stuck with a term that I want to implement. So that's not open or out yet, but I'll try to do so in the near future. So conclusion is, even if you have no energy, actually no, the conclusion is that even though this would have been a very great trade, if there's no energy and you can't really focus, you shouldn't trade. So stuck to my rules. There would have been a great setup today. Unfortunate that I couldn't take these simply because of my sleeplessness. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow there will be a setup of similar quality again, with trend continuation, 1 hour and 4 hour bias aligning, and all of that stuff. But yeah, hoping that it's the same tomorrow. Today I've lost out on 3RR, which sucks, but nothing I can do about. No vlog today, simply because I was like a vegetable today. Only productive thing I did, or two things actually, is filming this video right here and then going to the gym. Basically nothing else. I grabbed food for my family, but yeah, that's basically everything productive I did today. Tomorrow has to be better, and I'm confident it will. See you tomorrow, hopefully with a vlog and a trade recap.